Hi, my name is Dr. Jean-Paul Chung. I'm a cosmetic physician from Sydney, Australia, and today we're going to talk about exosomes. In this multi-part series, we're going to take a deep dive into the clinical data we have on exosomes, the manufacturing process, how we can impact your practice, and finally, the frequently asked questions. So an exosome is an extracellular vesicle of 20 to 300 nanometers in size, and it contains multiple different things. So it contains growth factors, lipids, proteins, mRNA, and DNA. So since 2013, one very exciting thing with exosomes is we've been using it more and more in the aesthetic field. Exosomes, its application in cosmetic would be threefold. So anti-aging, anti-inflammatory, and rejuvenation. Some of the exciting uses of exosomes include pigmentation improvement, scar remodeling, anti-aging properties, and hair restoration. We now understand that we potentially have a product that can help us to go back in time, right? So the ability, for example, to provide a procedure to my patients who are not interested in dermal fillers, augmentation, but really chasing that natural, youthful appearance, I think that's quite exciting. From a personal experience, I've been using exosomes, number one, for hair restoration. I've got patients who's been on many medications, they've been using PRP in the past, and the moment we've added exosomes in combination of those treatments, the results have been quite phenomenal. Another aspect of the use of exosomes is recovery of my patients post-ablative lasers. So usually when we do a very ablative procedures of lasers, for example, CO2, some of them might take 2 weeks to recover. With exosomes, I found that the recovery is much faster. But interestingly enough as well is after a few months, the quality of the skin has been much improved. So I have a lot of confidence with ASC created by ExoCoBio for many reasons. Number one is I know the donor screening process is quite stringent. I know that they have a GMP facility. They're reinvesting in R&D all the time. On top of that, they're publishing papers and papers and papers. We have more than 35 papers already published. Also, I think one of the key points as well is they're very open about the manufacturing. When there are so many variables in the manufacturing of exosomes, it is crucial to work with a company that is transparent with the manufacturing of the product. This gives me, as a physician, peace of mind that the product is safe and also will give the best outcome for my patient. So one of the reasons I'm excited about exosomes is because we're just starting to scratch the surface of its use, right? So now we have a product that not only can we help with scarring, with burn victims and hair restoration, but also to regenerate the skin. We can't have too much good skin, it's not a thing. As you are getting older, you're losing elastin, collagen, and exosomes can help us to remodel those parts and allowing us to get that youthful skin back again.